Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Alus channel. Today I will prepare bean soup. And ingredients for bean soup are beans, mixed beans. I have white and green peas and black beans. I will need leeks, carrots, mushrooms, onion, celery, orange pepper, tomato, garlic. And I will cook all of this in my Instant Pot. So let's start it. Okay guys, I cube and cut all my ingredients, and again here we will have 1 cup of mixed beans, 58 gram of pepper, 64 gram carrots, 120 gram of onion and leeks, 50 grams celery, and 103 gram of mushroom. So let's start saute. In my Instant Pot, I will put 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we'll start sauteing my vegetables. Okay guys, so let's start sauteing our vegetables. I will start with leeks and onion. Again, I have here 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Again, it's sauteed crunchy. This time, actually, at the same time, I can add my pepper as well. Okay, now time for celery. It's preparing very well, as you can see. Okay, let's saute like 1 minute, and I will add the mushroom and carrots. Okay, it's been sauteing for a minute, so now I can add my mushroom and carrots. Okay, let's saute more. So let's revisit like in 2 minutes. This time I think it's sauteing very well. A lot of water from mushroom, so that's why you don't need too much oil. At this point I will put tomato and garlic. And at this point I will saute 1 more minute. As you can see, it's sauteing again really well. And the only thing is my ingredients like this beans. So now we put beans, mixed beans, I will add some salt, It's up to you how salty you like. And all spices and herbs. This is little bit parsley, black pepper, and I have basil leaves. And I will add bouillon. I will add just water. This is 1 cup. And here 1.5. So I added 3.5 cups of water, but you can add bouillon. So that's it, guys. Now we put in our lid, cancel sauteing, and I will put on soup broth and start. And again, I changed sauteing, and now it's soup broth, and I put on, and it will cook, I think, like 30-35 minutes. Just want to show you guys, soup start cooking, and it's high pressure and 30 minutes. And that's why I use Instant Pot often when I don't have too much time to cook beans or pre-soak beans. So it's very convenient. 13 minutes we will have a wonderful lunch. Okay, our soup. Wow, ready. Look how wonderful. Oh, our mushrooms. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful soup. And I serve guys like this. And you can put on top parsley, cilantro, and it's delicious. Smell wonderful. This is my bean soup. Thank you for visiting my site. I hope you will try to prepare. This is such a wonderful vegetarian dish. And dear friends, I see you next time.